Let's be honest. 90% of people talking about drop shipping online have never built a real brand. I've spent years testing products, failing, learning, and rebuilding from zero. But what I discovered about drop shipping in 2025 completely changed how I see this business. Everyone keeps saying drop shipping is dead, but that's not true. What's dying are the lazy methods. Copy-paste stores, AliExpress products, and fake promises. What's winning now is branding, storytelling, and creating a customer experience that feels real. Here's the real game plan for 2025. Step 1. Find a problem-solving or emotionally satisfying product. People buy emotion, not objects. Step 2. Build a one-product brand, clean, modern, and trustworthy. Step 3. Post 2 to 3 TikToks daily. Keep them organic. Storytelling, reactions, and lifestyle shots. Step 4. When a video performs, scale it with Spark ads and reinvest your profits wisely. That's the foundation of modern dropshipping. Strategy over luck. The truth? Dropshipping isn't hard. Being consistent is. Most people quit right before they win. You can't build momentum by stopping every time sales slow down. Every failure gives you data, and every test teaches you something valuable. The skill you build today becomes your income tomorrow. Let's talk about mindset, because this is where 90% of people lose. You can't run $1 million store with $1,000 mindset. Success starts in your thoughts. Visualizing, planning, and acting with purpose. When your habits align with your goals, results become inevitable. Here's what's actually working in 2025. First, product quality. Deliver something that feels premium, even if it's affordable. Second, authentic content. Be real. Show the product solving a problem in real life. Third, customer experience. Build trust through fast responses, clear policies, and clean design. That's how you build a brand, not just a store. Drop shipping isn't dead. It's evolving. The only question is, are you evolving with it? Stop chasing quick money. Start building long-term skills. If this video helped you see drop shipping in a new light, make sure to like, share, and follow ProGens Tech for more no-fluff, real strategies that actually work. See you in the next one.